Welcome to Senegal for 5 days. It's gonna be amazing with motorcycle. I'm dead. Let's go. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Senegal. I go for a motorcycle trip. It's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be our enduro motocross. We're gonna cross the full country, and the plan is to be like this until Saturday for me, because after I have to go to Mauritania. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you a lot of landscape. Let's go. So we just started the trip, and we already have some issues there. We didn't leave the Dakar yet. They asked me to wait here. It's a bit hot, but I have a good time. Stéphane, do you like it? T'aimes bien? Tu kiffes?
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh yeah, you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Nice.
Yes, yes.
So, first day, and then we have some problems. I broke my mask, so I had to buy those amazing sunglasses. And then our guide had a burst on his tire, so that was another issue. But that's part of the game. So let's hope we can arrive this evening, and then tomorrow is another day. First day finished. Pretty tough, the last part, because it was in the sand and we were sinking inside. It was terrible, but it's pretty cool for a first day. So now I'm gonna show you is the drone, gorgeous beach. Let's see. Stéphane, how was this first day? Did you like it?
It's fantastic.
Fantastic?
Yes, yes, yes. Just
You didn't like the end. The end was.
the end. It's fantastic for me because I like the sand.
Yeah.
And when you sleep, no.
You can slide.
Yes, when the bike slide, it's top.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun, because at the end we didn't know where was the current hotel where we are going to sleep now, and then we were like, and then we end up, guys, on this amazing beach. I let you enjoy. So it's a high tide now, so tomorrow it should be low tide, so I guess we're gonna drive there. But overall, we have a very good time in Senegal. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today's second day motorcycle trip, and we were waiting that the ocean, the tide goes down so we can ride. But it seems that the nature is not with us, so we have to wait a bit more. But yeah, we are ready to go, and beautiful place. Today, direction Saint-Louis at the border with Mauritania. Let's go. Stéphane,
Yes.
how was this first part of the trip in the forest?
It was difficult, but very, very top.
Les gars, on va aller faire de l'essence à côté là.
A lot of sensations, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
What you want?
So that's why we had a lot of difficulty in the forest. There was some cactus, so if you fall, you are in big shit. But now we are back on track, and then I guess now we go heads north. Enjoying your time, mister?
Yes.
That's super nice. Time to take a little break, because we had to eat, and then we end up on the plage de Taré. So you have only 80 centimeters of water here. We're on time now. We managed to catch up. It's very, very beautiful. It's not so warm now, but during the trip it was. And then now we are going to Saint Louis. Let's go. Little break just because we saw some monkeys and we are in advance on the schedule, so that's why we made a little break. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, new day, new adventure. We drove 10 kilometers and then my motorcycle just broke down. So we are stuck now, ready to fix. And then we will go in a Peul village. That's the objective. I will show you more later. So, update from the breakdown. It appears that there was no compression with the piston, so the motorcycle is dead. And of course, due to the logistics, normally they always have like one extra motorcycle, but this time we didn't have because I have to go back on Saturday and blah blah blah. So then I end up in the car, and then we will change. We'll make a rotation with the two other pilots. So it's a bit sad, but that's part of the game. And yeah, we can still manage to find some solutions. One of my colleagues suggested to switch, so that's why I'm gonna switch and then make the rest of the day, which is super kind from him. So at least I can continue to drive a bit. So we finally arrived in the Peul village, the village with an ethnie, and it was pretty difficult. Do you know the name of the village? Tu connais le nom du village? Comment ça s'appelle ici? Non, c'est pas. J'ai un petit enfant. I have a little child who is asking me something. I don't know. But anyway, you can see a beautiful baobab over there. And yeah, so the plan is that we're gonna sleep here with a camp. We're gonna take a rest. We're in the middle of nowhere, I guess. Super hot. And then the thing is that I have been switching with my colleague to drive a bit to save the trip. So yeah, overall it's okay. Should happen, but yeah, we don't know what's happening for the next days. In the meantime, here is the village that I can show you. As you can see, don't expect any electricity, any Wi-Fi, nothing. That's life. Stop. Hop là. Nice. Dis bonjour. 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 Oh, nice. Rice? Le riz? Attends. je pense qu'elle est en train d'écraser, je sais pas, le riz ou le couscous, mais c'est à l'ancienne, super intéressant. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are Friday, so I have one more day today and then tomorrow morning before I go to the airport. So we are in the village and then ready for departure. They really live with nothing, so which is very impressive. So I really hope I'm gonna show them now the drone. They were a bit surprised. What the fuck is that? So. But yeah, other that, the landscape is pretty nice. Let's continue.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside. Tell me your reason.
So, your emotion. How was the trip? How was it? Do you have a good time?
Yes.
How was the road? Tell me everything.
I'm tired. I'm tired. It's
time to eat. It's time to eat, guys.
Yes, time to eat and after I sleep.
So I need to take a nap. Apparently it was very difficult. I was in the four-wheel drive, so for me it was okay. But yeah, look, oh la. That's it for today, guys. We just arrived at the hotel maybe 1.5 hours ago. It was pretty cool. We saw some camels and other animals. The hotel is very nice. There's a pool and so on. So I think it's time to relax. As you can see, the beach is pretty nice.
In misery, but I'll leave it all behind. I've got a brand new mind when you're with me. I've got some.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is my last day, finally. So I'm just driving in the morning because I have my plane tomorrow evening, but there's no other option to bring me back before. So I have to leave at 12, so we're gonna switch. One of the drivers is injured, so he will start in the after lunch, in the afternoon. And now we're gonna drive over there. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time this morning. So yeah, we got lost and then one of our colleagues got behind, so we have to wait for him and search back. But in the meantime, I'm enjoying the scenery. Pretty nice. Difficult terrain, as you can see. It's a lot of sand and it's very slippery. The guy even fell. So yeah, just to show you that it's not easy at all. But yeah, we are on the way back to Dakar now. Oh, tick. This is the end of my trip because I have to go to the airport and they have to go back to Dakar with those 3 motorcycles. So yeah, that was an amazing trip. A lot of nice landscapes and so on. Nice people as well. Of course, this is Africa, so I'm a bit sad to see a lot of trash. This is life. So yeah, now time to go to Mauritania. It was super nice. See you next time, guys.